deserves a dream of their own. Mine is going to 50 places I've never been the year I turn 50. Kinda crazy, right? Well, guess what? Crazy doesn't scare me. I was married for 23 years. Now I'm not. I had the same job for 25 years. Then I started my own business. My daughter just became a teenager. Oh, and I'm pushing 50. So bring it all on. The Northern Lights, Europe, an exotic beach vacation, even an old-fashioned Amtrak train trip. Sometimes I'll bring my daughter. Sometimes I'll meet friends. Sometimes I'll go alone. I think that's important for me. Because come on, millionaires and millennials aren't the only ones who should get to see the world. Reinvention is gonna be fun. Mama's gonna need more luggage than this.